wanted to say just to everybody that I met a guy who works in some insurances that's part of Matt Easton University. Just he was talking about something that was relevant to what I do. We ended up connected on LinkedIn. Fast forward, and I say this to kind of encourage everybody here to get to know one another and network because maybe a month ago this was. Fast forward till today, we've closed 2 deals together, working hand in hand with, and so 2 things. One, it's awesome because everybody in here is trying to
get better. Yeah,
takes their game serious, right?
Yep.
And then secondly, it's nice to work with somebody that you're going down this path with you.
Yeah.
And they're going down the same path, right? So we're aligned in
100%
communication and all the different things. So
100%.
I wanted to say I've absolutely loved every aspect of this and just kind of throw that out to everybody in case nobody's been able to connect
and
with
guys, there's like that community lounge. There's the space. I can't like actively. I'm not gonna be like, hey, I'm not gonna be the matchmaker because I don't want to accidentally make the wrong match. But you guys should start connecting with each other. I know you're doing a lot of it, but do more of it because we're all using the same process. We're all trying to get better, as Chris said, and it's great to partner with somebody that's not like, hey, well, what if I could get Chris to take 20% off of his? And you're like, dude, what the hell, man? Like we're all professionals here at Easton University, and this is not the first time I've heard it, but I appreciate you letting me know. Please, guys, tell me more of your stories. Link up with each other. Success is not that hard. We can all hit the numbers we want to hit and much more, especially if we're kind of all in the same boat rowing together. Hey, my name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world, and I'm going to give you $300 right now to close more deals. Click the link in my bio or here, and I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. I'm covering all the costs for you. You're going to close more deals. You're going to make more money. You're going to have more fun. I'll see you in the closing masterclass.